Check out that steamer, everybody. Pretty good. Over here, some more layout. Oh, look, we got the circus train. Wow, a circus train over here. I didn't catch that in time, but there it goes. Nice circus train. Wow. And there's that steamer again, and there's something you can put on your track right there and operate on the rails. Hold on. Thank you. Circus train coming. Is that a logging railroad engine? What a beautiful, nice thing. Wow, that is so awesome. Thank you. Wow. No, oh, yeah, I see that. Nice. Thank you. Awesome trains here at the train show, everybody. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, too. Thomas the Tank. Dun, 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 dun. Awesome, awesome show. Thank you for watching, everybody.